When she ghosts you, it's not about unanswered texts, it's about feeling invisible. You replay every moment, and the silence eats away at your confidence. But her ghosting isn't the end of your story, it's the start of your transformation. Stay tuned, the last two recovery steps will rebuild your confidence and make you unforgettable. Ghosting hurts. It feels like someone pulled the rug out from under you. One moment, connection felt real, the next, silence. No explanation, no closure. Ghosting isn't about you being unworthy. It's about patterns, psychology, and her choices. The worst mistake is chasing her silence. If you've been ghosted, you're not broken. You just need a new framework for recovery. This video will show you how to bounce back and use this as a turning point. And trust me, the last two steps will flip the power dynamic forever. Picture this, a guy meets a girl, things seem perfect. They text, call, and go on dates. Then, suddenly, nothing. No reply. Days turn into weeks, and he's left wondering what happened. He blames himself, double texts, and spirals into overthinking. Every desperate message digs him deeper. Her ghosting wasn't the end of his worth. Let's break down how to recover and come out stronger. Step 1. Stop chasing silence. The worst thing you can do after ghosting is keep reaching out. Every unanswered text feels like rejection multiplied by 10. Your brain craves closure, but chasing someone who walked away destroys your self-respect. The first recovery step is radical detachment. Don't text her. Don't stalk her socials. Silence is your new strategy. But silence alone isn't enough. Step 2 will shift your mindset completely. Step 2. Reframe ghosting as protection. Ghosting feels like rejection, but it's actually redirection. You think she abandoned you, but what if she just exposed her true character? When someone ghosts, they're saying more about their emotional immaturity than your worth. See ghosting as protection. She eliminated herself before wasting more of your time. But reframing is just the start. Step 3 rebuilds the core of your confidence. Step 3. Reclaim your value. Attraction starts with how you see yourself, not how she sees you. Ghosting makes you question your worth, like you weren't good enough. Rejection activates pain pathways, but self-worth is rebuilt by taking control of your daily habits. Hit the gym, build a skill, create momentum. Every small win becomes a deposit into your confidence bank. But confidence isn't enough if you fail the hidden test in Step 4. Step 4. Don't let ghosting define your future. Most guys carry ghosting into their next relationship and sabotage it. You start expecting women to leave, so you cling harder, pushing them away faster. This is anticipatory rejection. Your fear of being ghosted again creates the outcome you're afraid of. Detach the past from the present. Every woman is a new page, not a copy of the last. But here's the twist. Recovery isn't just about moving on. It's about testing her too. Step 5. Flip the test back. She tested you by disappearing. Now it's your turn. Most men give women unlimited access, even after ghosting. Boundaries are respect. If she ghosts and returns, don't reward her absence with instant access. Respond with calm indifference. She chose to disappear, so now she earns her way back in. And this brings us to the most powerful recovery secret of all. Step 6. Build a life she can't walk away from. The ultimate recovery isn't getting her back. It's building a life so magnetic she regrets leaving. Ghosting stings because you made her the center of your world. When you create a life filled with purpose, passion, and growth, you stop waiting for someone else to validate you. Be so focused on your goals that her silence becomes irrelevant. The more you level up, the more unforgettable you become. And here's the twist, ghosting doesn't mean you lost. It means you're free to rise. Ghosting isn't a reflection of your value. It's a reflection of her inability to communicate. While it hurts, it's also a gift because it forces you to reclaim your power. Recovery isn't about proving her wrong. It's about proving to yourself that you are always more than enough. When you stop chasing silence and start chasing purpose, you don't just recover, you become unstoppable. So now you know how to recover after being ghosted. Stop chasing, reframe the pain, rebuild your confidence, and flip the power back in your favor. Which of these steps hit you the hardest? Have you been ghosted, and how did you handle it? Drop your story in the comments. I read every single one. If this video gave you clarity, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's stuck replaying unanswered texts. And don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal the one sign she regrets ghosting you.